What's good, man? Got out of the car game just to get myself into guns, firearms, and shit. Um, First AR built. All right. First AR built. Only MD compliant. 5.56 223. I could even shoot 300 blackout with it. I just gotta change the upper on it. Um, I decided to stick with 5.56 because it's the original platform of the AR. Alright, now I might do some other builds later on, like 300 blackout. That's a definitely. And probably other builds like a 9 ARP 9mm. I seen 145 ACP as well. Might try that out too. But I got a couple crazy builds coming up. Now, being these my first build, you already know I had to spray paint that motherfucker up. Can barely see it, but let's see. Yeah, you see that? It's not loaded, alright? Motherfucker's not loaded. I know I put my fucking finger on the trigger, but alright, motherfucker's not loaded. Alright, now spray painted that hoe. I like the foregrip, the angle foregrip that way, just because I could grab it like this, you know. But if it's the other way, I'm not sure. I just like to have it that way, right? So I like to grab it. I could even grab it like that if I wanted to. Grab it like that. But I like to grab it like this and kind of put my thumb right here and just, I don't know. But if not, I could always do like that. Do that. I could put like stop here, hold it, give me the better. Now, old Spike Tactical Lower, and the upper is from our local armory. You know I had to get the Vortex. I had this for a paintball, but I had to put it on these motherfuckers. Alright? The upper got a ballistic advantage barrel on it. BCM buffer.